What is up, YouTube? We are back with another review, and it's in this brown bag what our review is going to be. This bag here. Let's go ahead and pull up like that. Just the staples outward. And we got this gun. It's called the Colt Defender. I don't see the other side yet. It's an air pistol CO2 pod. I'm just going to go through this bag in the car real quick though while I do that. So this is the Colt Defender. It is $50.95. And bring that here real quick. Just for cool shit. Alright, I took a screenshot during the video, so get it back holding it. Hey, how you are? I'll drop it. So this is the Colt Defender. Quality makes a difference in the Colt. CO2 BB repeater. It looks like there, it says a magazine. You press this. Must be an internal magazine because I don't see where there could be a magazine at, but full metal. You get an owner manual. And we're going to go ahead and open it, and just for safety reasons so that I don't get hurt, Ray is going to open it. We also got CO2 tanks, which you need. I got a new box. The last gun wasted like 9 of them or 13 of them, so. Alright, now, let's leave it. Oh, here. Holding the camera on me again. This is what it looks like. Where is it? Oh, it opens this tank. Opens this. That is cool. Now, where do you put the BBs at? There's a safe on it. Of course. You really have to give these fuckers a whack here. There. Look at that, guys. Guys, if you took this in Walmart, and please do not take this in Walmart, or you're going to get shot by the police. If you took this in Walmart and said freeze, you're going to get people to believe this is real. And there's a magazine right here. So you push this button to put a tank in, and hold it back like that. And you basically take and put it down like that, and put the BBs in there. Nicer than that fucking P10 or whatever it was called. But first you got to put a CO2 tank in before it will work. You slide it back with a good whack, and then it don't sound like anything right now because there's nothing, no tank in it. But it's like basically like if you were out. But I'm going to just go lay this in the car, guys. I hope you don't mind about that one. Alright, we're back now. Push. I'm going to try the CO2 shit. Like, if you hear the puff, you know what, guys? I don't want to waste no tanks, so I'm going to get a tank and give it to Ray. I'll let him put the stuff in there. I like when he puts the tank in. He's just good at that naturally. Got to be a little bit. Turn the piercing wing. Also, guys, I'll be doing a tutorial about how to put a CO2 cartridge in, so make sure you're subscribed to get that. I won't be doing how to load a BB gun because all BB guns are different in different types of ways, so. Here. Hold the camera without turning it off. Holy shit. Alright. The owner's manual stuck, so I'm going to go ahead and do what I think you should do. Which is you should just pull this back. And switch it like that. And down inside. keep filling it until it don't let you fill one more. Slide this thing back. And come over here. We got our target, by the way. Come on over. Let's see where we all got him at here. Not bragging, guys. That is pretty good. We got him only in the head. And like one in his shoulder right there, so. Alright, come back on over. Back to where you originally were. Yeah, easy reload, guys. You go back where you were. Easy reload, guys. I mean, very easy. Just be careful you don't pierce the wing too much. Very easy load. Fast reload, too. So if you're, like, hunting, like, just stop right there with them. That's 16. And also, it says Colt Defender. Colt right on the side here. Also, if you want to take safety on, you force it with a utility because you're not going to force it regularly, so. Nice fucking gun, guys. Worth the $50, guys, how much I paid for this gun. Worth it, guys, worth it. You gotta lay it down, though. There's no, like, loading a clip. I was worried it was, like, one of those. You can't, like, put 5 or 10 in at a time, or you'll have to use a knife and unstick it. But, yeah, guys, I recommend this air gun to anyone that's, like, 16. I don't recommend it for someone younger, because you're not going to be able to use it as good. So, you got a Colt horse right on there, by the way. So, yeah, guys, that was the Colt Defender air pistol. Not air rifle, it's air pistol. Looks really like a real gun. No dropout magazine, so this is not the gun if you care about a dropout magazine, which I don't really care about them dropout magazines. I mean, this is actually a pretty fun gun to use, so if you guys like it, make sure you leave a like. Make sure you also subscribe to this channel and turn your bells on for more about this gun and any other gun that I am purchasing. In the meantime, leave a like and subscribe. I will be done. Peace.